Hi everyone, my name is KNS Swami. In this video, I am going to discuss about the ESR spectrum of some metal complexes. Now, first of all, we are going to study the ESR spectrum of trans chromium. It's 2O4 times and it is 3 twice plus 2 complex. Okay, now how many number of, let us calculate number of fine lines and number of hyperfine lines for this metal complex. Okay, now in this metal complex, okay, we have chromium plus 2. So here in this chromium, it will be having I value, that is 5 by 2. So it will be having I value 5 by 2. So now how many number of unpaired electrons present in this chromium plus 2? So here in this case, okay, chromium will be having 3d5 4s1. So here chromium plus 2, it means it will be having 3d4 electron configuration. So here we have 4 unpaired electrons present in this metal complex. So now let us see how many number of fine lines we can observe in the case of chromium plus 2. So now here the number of fine lines is equal to the number of unpaired electrons present in that particular metal ion. So here the number of unpaired electrons are 4. So here the number of fine lines is equal to 4. Okay, now let us see the number of hyperfine lines. Okay, so now number of hyperfine lines is equal to the number of fine lines, that is 4 into 2n9 plus 1. So where 2 into where n is equal to 1, here since only one metal ion, we have 2n I, that is I is equal to 5 by 2 plus 1. So here this 2 and this 2 will be cancelled out. So here 4 into 5 plus 1, that is 6. So we can observe 30 lines. So but here this process is not correct, because this fine lines is okay, but in the case of hyperfine lines, we cannot apply only this 2ni plus 1 formula. We cannot apply only 2ni plus formula for this only chromium. Okay, because in this complex, in this trans complex, we can observe ligands, that is NH3 and H2O. So here the metal complex that we can observe here. So here chromium, and we have aqua ligands. Okay, these are the 4 aqua ligands, and we have 2 NH3 ligands which are in trans position. Okay, these are the 2 NH3 ligands which are in trans position. So now here the number of active nuclei, the number of ESR active nuclei. So that is here chromium is active, at the same time here nitrogen is active. If this nitrogen is active, this hydrogen which is attached to the nitrogen, that is inactive according to Drago's rule. So now here if you see this aqua ligand, so here oxygen is not active, it is inactive. So here if it is inactive, the hydrogens which are attached to the oxygen, according to Drago's rule, these hydrogens are active. So let us now calculate, let us apply 2n9 plus 1 rule for this one. So here for this chromium, we have 2 into 1 into 5 by 2 plus 1 into for this hydrogens, there are have 8 hydrogens which is attached to the oxygen. So we can apply n plus 1 rule. So we have 8 plus 1 into 8 plus 1 into we have 2 nitrogens which are yes are active. So these hydrogens which are attached to the nitrogen, those are inactive. So we have 2 nitrogen. So that's why 2 into 2 plus 1. Okay. So here, now let us calculate this one. So this 2 and this 2 will be cancelled out. 6 into 9 into 5. So that is here 270. 6 into 9 into 5, that is 270. So we can observe 270 lines here. So now number of hyperfine lines. Number of hyperfine lines. Number of hyperfine lines is equal to the number of hyperfine lines is equal to the number of fine lines, that is 4. 4 into 2Ni plus 1, that is 270. So here we can observe 4 into 270, that is 1080. 1080 lines, 1080 hyperfine lines we can observe in the case of the ESR spectrum of the chromium plus 2 complex, which is trans chromium H2O 4 times NH3 twice plus 2 complex. So in this complex you can observe 1080 lines for hyperfine lines and only 4 lines for fine lines. So this is about the ESR spectrum of this complex. Now let us see another example. So here another example, that is trans titanium H2O 4 times and NH3 twice plus 2. So now number of, let us calculate number of fine lines, and number of hyperfine lines. Now in this case, we can observe. In this case, we can observe the I value for this titanium. So for this titanium, I value is equal to 3 by 2. So we have 3 by 2 is the I value for titanium. So now here in this complex, we can observe titanium plus 2. So this titanium plus 2 will be having D2. It will be having 2 unpaired electrons present in the metal ion. So now number of fine lines, that is equal to the number of unpaired electrons present in that metal ion. So here we can observe number of fine lines, that is 2. So we can observe 2 fine lines in the case of ESR spectrum of this trans complex. Now let us calculate the number of hyperfine lines that are observed in the case of this complex. Now let us draw the structure of this titanium complex. So here this is central titanium metal ion, and we can observe 4 aqua ligands. Since it is a trans complex, we can observe 2 ligands along this axis, 2 ammonia ligands, 2 NH3 ligands along this axis. So here in this case, this nitrogen is active, so hydrogen is inactive. So here oxygen is inactive and hydrogens are active. So let us apply the 2Ni plus 1 rule. So here 2 into for titanium, 2 into 1 into I value for this titanium, that is 3 by 2 plus 1 into For hydrogen, okay, we can observe 8 hydrogens. So we can observe n plus 1 rule. So okay, 8 plus 1 into okay, number of nitrogens, that is 2. So here okay, for nitrogens 2 into 2 plus 1. So here okay, these 2 and these 2 will be cancelled out. 3 plus 1, that is 4 into okay, 9 into okay, 2 into 2 4, 4 plus 1 5. So now if you calculate this one, okay, 4 into 9 into 5, okay, that is 180. So that is 180 lines. 180 lines. So now let us calculate the number of hyperfine lines. Okay, we know that the number of hyperfine lines, okay, number of hyperfine lines, that is equal to number of fine lines. Okay, so number of fine lines is 2. Okay, 2 into okay, 180. 2 into 180. So the number of fine line, hyperfine lines, that is equal to 2 into 180. So here okay, the answer is 360 lines. 360 hyperfine lines we can observe in the case of trans titanium complex. Okay, so this is how we are calculating the number of fine lines and number of hyperfine lines in the case of transition metal complexes by using these formulas, these simple formulas. Okay, so thank you for watching. Have a nice day.